My name is John Yagata, and this is Early Greek Mathematics. Greek mathematics is a type of mathematics that originated in early periods in Greece. It encompasses concepts of the building blocks of geometry, observations of patterns, and proving these concepts. It was said to be derived from older mathematical systems that already existed in regions of Egypt and Mesopotamia. This influence was mainly through trade. The Greeks' main focus was geometry because they wanted to find the truth about reality, which they believed to find through the static geometric structures. To start off with, the Thales of Miletus is known as the first person to introduce the concepts of geometry to Greece. There are debates about his accomplishments as none of his writings have survived, so there is no exact proof of his creation, but historically the introduction is associated with him. He has been recognized to be the founder of 5 theorems. A circle is bisected by its diameter. Angles in a triangle that have opposite sides that are an equal length are equal. Opposite angles formed by intersecting straight lines are equal. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. If 2 angles at the base and the length of the base is given, a triangle can be determined. We use most of these theorems in the modern day as well. He's one of the initiates of using deductive reasoning to solve and prove geometric relationships. Moving on, Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher. He studied math as a way to understand the truth of reality. He is known to observing the square talas of the palace walls and finding a pattern that the square area of the square on the side lengths was equal to the area of the square on the diagonal or hypotenuse, leading to the modern day Pythagorean theorem equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This theorem is crucial to the world today, from learning it in classrooms around the world to using it in architecture globally. Archimedes is one of the most famous Greek mathematicians today. He's known as the father of math and created a changing point in the world of geometry. He's credited to discovering the fact that the volume of a sphere is 2/3 of the cylinder it is inscribed in, leading to the formula of a sphere to be 4/3 pi r cubed, the one we use today. He has also been known to be the one to accurately approximate pi with 22/7 or 3.141a by inscribing polygons within circles to obtain the approximation. Eratosthenes, also known as the father of geography, was credited to inventing a method to find prime numbers known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. It includes finding prime numbers through eliminating multiples of prime numbers starting from 2. This method holds as an easy way to distinguish and get prime numbers in speed with a given set. Additionally, Eratosthenes was known to calculate the circumference of the Earth by using geometry and the observations from the sun's angles. Euclid is a famous Greek mathematician who is considered to be the father of geometry. He created the 13-book series Elements, which is compiled of his contributions and other people's like Pythagoras, laying the base for Euclidean geometry. He had contributions in number theory, the relationship between whole numbers, which is a concept also tied with geometry. He founded the building blocks of geometry, including points, lines, and planes. Euclid introduced a new point of view on shapes while combining these building blocks in his series. Additionally, a key concept within Elements was Euclid's proofs. He identified and proved existing concepts like the Pythagorean theorem through deductive reasoning. He used axioms and postulates to build these proofs. Other mentions in Euclid's Elements is the golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion. Its first mention was in the Euclid's Elements. It is represented by the number 1.618, where AB, the ratio of AB to AC is equal to the ratio of AC to AB, meaning that the ratio of the shorter segment to the longer segment is equal to the ratio of the longer segment to the whole line. These common points are noted in math today as well. The observations made in Euclid's Elements allow us to find reasoning in the mathematical concepts we do today. Greek mathematics is truly one of the foundations for the math we do today. Learning about the origins of all the different concepts that I've used so much is intriguing, and now I know where they come from.